Guys, and welcome back. So as you guys have seen over my last couple videos, I am trying to find new and exciting ways to use up extra herbs fresh. I know I can dehydrate them. I know I can freeze them in oil. I am not wanting to do that. I am wanting to just embrace the freshness any way I can. I'm always putting it in my dishes that I'm making and just any way I can use it because herbs are just so good for you. So today's treat is rosemary lemonade. And I am so excited to try this because it is dead of summer. It's super hot and I love refreshing lemonade. So, and this is going to be low carb friendly because I'm actually using Swerve, but you can use sugar in the same exact amount. And this is going to be easily doubled, tripled, quadrupled, depending on what you like. Since it's just going to be me drinking it, because this is mommy's special drink, I'm just doing a quart jar, and I'll just do a quart jar at a time. It's easier to fit in my tiny little fridge, so good to go. So what I have is about 3/4 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. It even has a little pulp in it. And then I have, let's see, I have 4 fresh rosemary sprigs. Now, rosemary is a potent herb, so if you do not want that much rosemary, just use one little sprig like this, and you'll still get some good flavor. It just won't be as strong. I love rosemary, so that's why I'm using more. 1/2 cup of your sugar of choice. And if you like it sweeter, you can add more. I like tart. And then fill the rest up with water. And this is for the 1 quart amount. Right to the top. Give it a good stir. Oh, thank you. Get all your sugar incorporated. Okay, baby. And now, because we're using a fresh herb and we're wanting that herb to really come alive in this, I'm going to put a lid on it and put it in the fridge for about an hour and let it kind of steep. Alright guys, so this went and just steeped for about 2 hours, I guess, give or take. Oh, that just fell. So now we're going to get ready and try it. I had gone ahead, I needed a lemon for something else, so I went ahead and just put some lemon in this. And then I also have a slice in the bottom of my jar just because I love lemon. And I'm also going to give it a stir real quick, just to make sure everything's well incorporated, because this does have some lemon pulp in it. And then I want one of these beautiful sprigs in my glass. And I can tell you right now, the smell is so fragrant. Obviously, I can't pour something and talk at the same time. But let's try this. Well, that's amazing. That is amazing. Like I said, I like mine tart. So with the 1/2 cup for 1 quart worth, it is sour, but it's perfect for me. And that rosemary, it adds a flavor that's just, it complements the lemon so well. I highly, highly, highly recommend throwing some rosemary sprigs into your lemonade. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy video. I hope it inspires you on different ways you can use your fresh herbs. I now want to try some different herbs in my lemonade because rosemary was so good. So I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.